Now today we'll see how to open the HP laptop. So this is the HP laptop 15A, which is the model number. Take it. Yeah. And for that we have to turn it, and there is some of the nut bolts which we already removed from it, and which is the pros 11 or 10. So this is the procedure. Firstly we have to remove the CD drive, or we can say CD, which we already removed. This is the CD, and this is the CD which will be removed from here. And after that, slowly or gradually we have to open it. Now as you can see, it's about to be open. So this is the laptop internal part. This is the cooling fan, which we must be clean. It's the nut bolt which we have to remove from the whatever you have the screwdriver, and this is the battery which is inbuilt on the laptop. And if you see the focus list, so this is the model number of HP laptop, all the things written here, and we did all the things whatever it has the required, so it's properly working now. Thank you guys.